name is Lyss. If you would like to become a part of our internet family, make sure to hit the subscribe button below. I would love to have you here, and everyone else would love to have you here as well. For today's video, I'm sharing with you guys some bobby pin hairstyles. I've been seeing a lot of people using bobby pins as an accessory rather than just like a hair tool. Does that make sense? So I thought that I would play around and come up with some ideas I know that I would definitely wear. So I'm going to share those with you today. Let's get into it. Did you like this video? I hope you did. Thank you so much for watching. Let me know what other hair videos you would like to see this year. I love you guys so much. Thank you for being a part of my family, and I will see you in the next video. Bye, guys.